Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 27 May 2018, 07 of hour, 03 of minute and 36 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what does a bagged fuel pump cause? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what does a bad fuel pump cause. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what does a bad fuel pump cause. A faulty pump with low pressure will disturb the engine's air-fuel ratio, which can cause all sorts of performance problems. Aside from hard starting, the vehicle may experience misfires, a loss in power and acceleration, a decrease in fuel efficiency, and even engine stalling. Last update Jan 8, 2016. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.